Hi guys, welcome to Apex Nutrition. All right, so I have in my hand today the Canadian wild rice. Now, a lot of people are accustomed to eating, those basic parboiled rice, even brown rice and all these types of rice, even basmati and all of those types of rice. Now, those rice are not the best options of rice to basically use to nutrify your body because majority of them are hybrids, and the majority you will find in the grocery stores out there are hybrids. So like the Canadian wild rice, actually a better substitute of rice to basically include in your daily nutrition, in your daily diet. Now, what's unique about our wild rice? Because we've tested many other types of wild rice before we actually even considered bringing this wild rice into our store here at Apex Nutrition. Now, we've bought wild rice from very high-end grocery store that you will actually consider to be a healthy food store, but we didn't even notice any benefit from it, any different. We didn't notice anything special about it. We didn't really realize that wild rice was actually that special until we actually sourced it out ourselves, and we found out that the wild rice that we brought in, the first time we sampled it, we realized that it has this beautiful nutty and sweet aroma, and when you taste it, guys, it tastes so good. It has this natural sweetness to it and this natural nuttiness to it. Okay, so it is the Canadian wild rice. It is actually grown in Canada. Okay, Canada is actually known to be one of the best source of wild rice. Okay, now the beauty about wild rice is that it is loaded with a lot of natural minerals. It is loaded with magnesium, potassium, iron, and even fiber. Okay, now it is naturally gluten-free, guys. Okay, because a lot of people are gluten intolerant because of their gut issue at the present time. So while you're cleaning out your gut, you want to put this kind of rice into your diet because it actually is not part of the family of grain. It is part of the family of grass. Okay, so it's basically like you guys eating your vegetables. Okay, because it is part of your the grass family. All right, so give this wild rice a try, the Apex Nutrition Canadian wild rice, and you guys will love it. I can assure you of that. All right, stay tuned.